Welcome to Wazobia Estate, where vision meets reality. We're not just building homes, we're crafting a new way of living, a place where culture, community, and sustainability come together. Imagine a community where every individual finds a sense of belonging, families grow, and businesses thrive. This is Wazobia Estate, a diverse, inclusive neighborhood designed to enrich lives and foster connections. We believe in leaving a positive footprint, which is why Wazobia Estate is built with the future in mind, integrating green energy, smart technologies, and sustainable designs. From modern townhouses to a vibrant commercial hub, Wazobia Estate offers a unique blend of residential comfort and business opportunities.
Our vision goes beyond bricks and mortar. We are creating a space that celebrates culture, supports innovation, and nurtures community spirit. Wazobia Estate is more than an investment, it's a legacy.
For investors, Wazobia Estate offers a unique opportunity, high return on investment, a prime location, and a model that can be replicated in other markets. It's a chance to be part of something truly groundbreaking. Join us in building a community where dreams are realized and futures are brightened. Wazobia Estate, building tomorrow today. For more information or investment opportunities, visit www.wazobianation.com. Wazobia Nation is the destination.